Element TVs, like many modern televisions, have a physical control panel located on the TV itself. The location varies by model, but it's usually found on the bottom edge, the back, or sometimes the side. First, locate the control panel on your TV. Here you can see the back of an Element TV showing the panel area. Look for a button labeled Input, Source, or an icon that resembles a rectangle with an arrow pointing into it. Press this button repeatedly. Each press will cycle through the available input sources. Stop when the desired input source is selected. It may take a few cycles to reach your target. If there are other buttons, such as volume or channel, make sure you are pressing the Input Source button specifically. Keep pressing until you get the correct input. If your Element TV has no physical buttons or the input button isn't working, consider using a universal remote control. Many universal remotes are compatible with Element TVs and can be programmed using the TV's brand code. If you have another remote lying around, you could check if it can control basic functions on the Element TV. As a last resort, investigate smartphone apps that function as remote controls. Some apps can control TVs via Wi-Fi or infrared if your phone has an IR blaster. Another thing to consider is if your TV is connected to the internet and you can control it through your phone's app. If none of these work, contacting customer support for Element TV is the next step.